Okay guys, this is how to use tomato to remove wrinkles on your face. Yeah, you don't need much to remove wrinkles on your face. Okay, this is what you need. One single tomato like this. You apply it in the morning to remove both black, dark spots and wrinkles. Okay, if you want to lighten your skin, go and use this. It work like magic. This is what I use every morning before I take my bath. But this is what I use to remove dark spots and wrinkles. For those of you who like to lighten their skin, tomato will go a long way. Okay, believe me, trust me, this work, it work like magic. Can't you see, guys? Check am now. It work like magic. The way I use mine, I use one in the morning. I also use one in the evening. Okay, there is no single day that I will not do this, and there is no single day that I will not take one single tomato. I will chew it every day. Tomato have a lot of health benefits that you don't know. Both applying it on your face and eating it like this, fresh like this, once a day. Go and try this just a week. Then you will come back and thank me later. This work like magic. If you have not tried this and you want to remove your wrinkles, go and do this. Go and do this and thank me later. Go and try it. I do my one morning and one night. That is how I apply my own. But if you wish to apply only in the morning, it is good also. But I apply mine 2 times a day. Guys, check it out. Check it out. It remove dark spots, wrinkles. It work like magic. Go and try it and thank me later. Thank you for watching. Please share this video and comment down below. All right.